Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing this morning? Blessed and highly favored. Thank God I woke up this morning. We just put a slight little 25 in it right now. I usually get my gas from Wawa, BJ's, or Costco because it's a lot cheaper. We right here at this, what's it, a marathon right here. Slight little 20 in right quick on my way to work. Yeah, slight little 20. So you get every drop, man, every drop. Every drop. Would you like a receipt? No, thank you. No, thank you. Let's go ahead and start her up. And let's get active, man. YouTube. Alright, my battery just died. Weather in the East Coast been tripping, man. I know it's hurricane season. I don't know what the name of the hurricane is in Florida, but we getting some of that damage up here in Maryland. So I ain't really been able to get some like real good content for y'all. I know how to drive in the rain, but other motherfuckers, I mean, that's other people that don't know how to drive in the rain. So the highway is slow. Everybody driving like somebody's grandma, which is cool, but yeah. Oh man. Sunlight in here. I go another Durango. Look like a 2020, maybe a 19, 18. This person finally just keep braking. I was supposed to be at work 2 minutes ago, y'all. I got my hair done. Face clearing up. I'm about to step back and work. I'm gonna hit y'all later, see if we can get some good clips. It's gonna be raining all weekend, so y'all bear with me. Like I said, thank y'all for the likes, comments, and the subscribers. I really appreciate that from the bottom of my heart, y'all. Please keep rocking with me. send these videos off to y'all mans, to y'all friends, family, anybody who like cars. Yeah, man. Thank you. I appreciate it. Challenging, y'all. That might be an RT. Big 5.7. Shout out all the R7. I mean, shout out all the RTs, man. Big 5.7s. Y'all, this crack getting a little bit bigger. I gotta go. I'll probably go next weekend. I get some time. I'll probably go this week. It's cracking a little bit bigger. Show the crack.
Can you see it on the camera? It's not that bad as Nana's.
Yeah, hers. She let hers get all the way across. Traffic. I'll get back to y'all in a little bit. Y'all, we had a birthday party right now. I think I'm gonna throw this on the Alias Fan vlog. Yeah, Zuri, I mean, my girl's grandmother's co-worker's daughter is having a birthday. She's turning 7. Shout out Jessica. Happy birthday, Jessica. You're gonna do big things in life. I already know it. I can see it in your face. You got the parents for it and the bread for it. Mommy is 3 cups in on some Prosecco, 2 mimosas in. That does not include the Prosecco. Those are separate then.
And I'm hot.
And she's hot. The sun is beaming. This DMV weather, y'all, it was raining for 5 days, 6 days straight, and now we got all hot weather. I don't know what's going on. Huh? KJ? Yeah.
K-Tronada.
Oh, K-Tronada? I thought you said KJ. But yeah, you see mommy looking in that black and that black pearl. Looking sweet. She needs a wash again because, like I said, it's been raining for like the last week. Oh yeah, man. I'm going around the car like I'm about to put this on the vlog, but I'm not about to put this on the vlog. This is going on the Alias Fan vlog. Hey y'all, if y'all didn't know, I got in an accident on this side. Somebody hit me. It hit me here. As you can see, this junk coming out right now. Yeah, somebody hit me right there. I went up against the curb, hit the other 2 rims on the other side. And this was all scraped right here. And then they ended up hitting 2 other people going on the side of the road and hitting the Tesla head on. So, yeah, insurance, they got that together. But that being said, I do not have the Hemi badges right here. I don't have the Hemi badges right there. But I do have it on this side. So it's like kind of like a sleeper car. Sometimes people thinking it's a GT. It really don't look like a GT, but yeah. I don't know. I might want to take this off, take that Hemi off, or I might want to just go ahead and paint them Jones black. I don't know. Like I said, y'all, we had a birthday party. Happy birthday, Jessica. And I'm gonna catch y'all later. Alias fam, what do you do, y'all? We had a birthday party right now. Shout out Miss Cecilia. Her daughter turned 7. Zuri over there with the rest of the family. They back there. I'm gonna probably bring that Joan over there. Yeah, she wanted to get out. Her grandmother over there. Her great grandmother over there. Uncle, aunt. That's who's that? Who's that with the baby? With the baby? That's Dakia. I mean
No, that's Quisha.
Quisha here, y'all. Hey, y'all, Quisha is here.
Wait,
Quisha is here. Nah, I already met Quisha. Yeah.
Quisha!
Hey, did you just hit my window?
No, probably with my radio, probably with my...
Damn, shake. Look, bandana. I don't want no popcorn.
I was so happy. It's so too sorry. It is too sorry.